Congratulations, Sandeep.
Thank you
Very
very much,
happy
ma'am.
for your result. See, she's got a wonderful result of 7 bands. It is 7, 7.5 and 7 and 6.5. Sandeep, how was your experience?
I had very great experience while studying here because the teacher was so nice. They helped a lot while
That's
studying
pretty
and
good.
asked 100 times and they are ready to help you.
They are ready to help you.
Yes, ma'am.
आपके efforts हैं, हमारे efforts हैं,
Thank you so
सबके
much, ma'am.
efforts हैं और आपके results आ गए. तो overall आप reading, listening, writing, speaking सब में अच्छे marks हैं आपके.
Yes, ma'am.
बहुत अच्छा स्कोर है.
Thank you so
आप
much. ma'am.
बच्चों को क्या गाइड करना चाहते हो, क्या मोटिवेट और क्या मैसेज देना चाहते हो
First
कि ये
of
स्कोर
all,
आता कैसे है?
practice a lot and then follow the templates, follow the prediction which ma'am gave every week for the coming test and then
संदीप आप
believe
मॉक
on
टेस्ट में कैसे करते थे? आपको डर लगता था क्या?
Actually, ma'am, yes, cause everyone fears of this thing, but you need to practice a
You
lot.
need to
That
practice.
is there is
I
only
understand
one.
तेरी practices बहुत थी यहाँ
Yes,
पे.
ma'am.
तो overall you were happy here.
Yes, ma'am. Very good experience. I
Very
had.
good
Thank you
experience.
so much, ma'am.
So you were comfortable with the predictions and the templates?
Yes, ma'am. I got one prediction right. That was parks and sports
Arts and
centers.
sports. So आपने class में भी किया हुआ था?
Yes, ma'am. We have already done in the
You
class.
were already done. So overall, we were happy with you. You are happy with us.
Thank you so much. ma'am.
I'm very very happy for you and for your friends.
Thank
आपके
you
सारे
so
friends
much, ma'am.
निकल गए हैं, मालूम है ना आपको?
Yes, ma'am.
All have cleared. It was a very good result of this batch. So I congratulate to you, your
Thank you so
family,
much,
and your
ma'am.
friends.
Thank
Take
you.
care.